Hey guys, come along with me as I install one of the hardest Jimny mods that even Dad bought. Told me I was all on my own for this one. Simply start by removing your interior light. Once you do this, you will see that there is already two pre-existing screw holes where you can just screw the bolt straight into. You may just need to pierce through the roof lining. Once they're all screwed in, you can pop your interior light back in. When I said this would be the hardest Jimny mod, I may have been referring to supplying your own Allen key. If you're anything like us, you will have quite a few laying around, but trying to remember where you left them after your last mod will be the hardest part of the install. And there you have it, a sick looking roof panel installed in under 10 minutes. My favourite feature is how flush they sit to the Jimny roof, avoiding taking up any extra headspace. Visit Get Good Gear to get yours today.